that today a meeting was suddenly convened by the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong to discuss about the forthcoming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election on the basis of the illegal notification, unconstitutional notification issued by the State Election Commission of Assam. The State Election Commission has got no power to conduct, including to prepare the voter list of Autonomous Council under the 6th schedule, because in Assam Panchayati Raj Act 1994 also it is said that it shall extend to the whole of Assam in the rural areas except the autonomous district under the 6th schedule. Under the 6th schedule, the Autonomous Council has been set up. Here, the State Election Commission has got no right, no power to conduct the election, because on the other, it is clearly said in Section 114 of the Panchayat Act that the State Election Commission has been formed under the Panchayati Raj Act. Now, if we empower the Panchayati Raj Act, if we empower the State Election Commission to conduct the election of the Autonomous Council, it means that the Autonomous Council has come down to the level of Panchayat, because he has got no power other than in Panchayat and in municipality. So this is totally wrong. The notification issued by the State Election Commission is totally unconstitutional and illegal. This matter we have submitted memorandum about 1.5 months before to His Excellency the Governor of Assam, and also to the Honorable Minister of HAD also, and we have submitted a copy of the memorandum to the Chief Executive Member of Autonomous Council also. So this is illegal. They cannot. The State Election Commission has got no power to conduct the election of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Moreover, since we all know about these things, the 6th schedule under paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 has empowered the Autonomous Council to frame their own rules for conduct of election. And on that matter, we have filed a case in the High Court, Guwahati High Court, and the Honorable Guwahati High Court has already passed a judgment directing the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to make the election law of the council. This is the law. This is the judgment. Everybody knows under PIL number 9 2017. The Autonomous Council has been directed to make the law, but they have not made the law. But that is not our fault. It is the fault of the government. The Autonomous Council was saying that the government does not allow them to make the law. But they are contempting the Guwahati High Court order. They have committed contempt of court case against the Guwahati High Court order. This is the order that within 6 months, it was passed on 18 May 2018. This order is already there. This order, it is well known to the Deputy Commissioner also, because Deputy Commissioner, the state government Deputy Commissioner is also a party to the election to this case. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, the Deputy Commissioner is also a part of a party to this case. So the Deputy Commissioner has got this order. Why is he doing like this against the judgment of the High Court. And moreover, we suspect that there is some force in the Deputy Commissioner's office to avoid us, because the meeting was held at 5 p.m. and the meeting was announced that the meeting would be held. It was announced about 3 p.m. only. I was here.
Very short notice.
Very short notice, only to avoid us so that we will not be able to attend. That is the main reason. As if why the DC is hiding? Is it not so? Why should he call meeting in hiding? This is not proper. The DC has got all the power, and he is the DC of everybody in the district. So he should respect all of us, and he must give us the proper opportunity to represent our case. Avoiding us is not good. So we object to the meeting that is held by the Deputy Commissioner today, and we also object to the notification issued by the State Election Commission for conducting the elections of the autonomous Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. We object to it. We have already, as I have already said, we have already submitted memorandum to the Governor. Governor has not replied to us till today. We are waiting for his invitation. We have requested him to give us time to discuss with him. This is all.
So you said that the meeting was convened at 5 p.m. this evening, right?
Yes, the time was at 5 p.m.
So what was the discussion that was taking place in the meeting?
They were discussing about preparation of voter list.
Yes,
for the election commission.
Here's the notice.
The notice is for preparation of voter list. Now the question is, who will prepare voter list? He has quoted HAD number 305, that is number 30, that is November 2. This order is issued by the state government, and then it was a direction to the State Election Commission. This notification is. State Election Commission has got no right to conduct.
And what Deputy Commissioner has said today?
I think he was saying about revision of electoral rolls. The State Election Commission, it is written here, returning officers white SEC 29/2021/26 dated 11 February. This is State Election Commission's order. He has got no power to order. He has got no power. He has got power only in the panchayat, gaon level, in the village level only. Yes, it is written. The Assam State Election Commission, in the headline also it is written, State Election Commission. He has got no power. That is that.
So after facing these consequences, what you want to say?
We have already submitted that it should be according to no, not here. According to the 6th schedule. According to the 6th schedule, this is the 6th schedule. It is written, paragraph 2, subparagraph 7b. Election has to be conducted until a new rule is made for election, for conduct of election. The elections shall have to be conducted under 6th schedule, paragraph 2, subparagraph 7b. It is written, generally, all matters relating to the transaction business pertaining to the administration of the district or region, as the case may be, provided that until rules are made by the district or the regional council under this subparagraph, the rules made by the governor under subparagraph 6 of this paragraph shall have effect in respect of elections to the officers, staff, and the procedure of the conduct of business in each such council. That means election will have to be held under the 1951 rules.